Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for November 18 to 24, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong promo ngayong November, 25% discount sa tarot reading services pag nag-book kayo. So, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, Gemini, let's see. What's coming to you November 18 to 24? Gemini. Uy, seer. This is about your instinct, your intuition. So, maaring mas magiging on point, mas malakas yung instinct mo, yung sensitivity mo ngayong week na to. Seer is also about seeking. Pag meron kang gustong alamin, meron kang gustong matuklasan, i-explore. So, pwedeng you are exploring yourself, exploring your spirituality, or yung iba pang mga options na available sa'yo ngayon. The owl, this symbolizes yung knowledge, yung thoughts, yung skills ng isang tao. So, I think ngayon, you are in your own element, Gemini. Parang you want to learn more. You want to improve yourself, your skills, your abilities. Ayan. Yung iba mag-aaral or meron kayong sariling research, self-study. Okay. You have the Hermit, which is Virgo energy. Yes, yung iba sa inyo maaring magbibigay kayo ng time para sa sarili nyo for peace and quiet. You are reassessing yourself. Meron na namang owl dito. So, yung iba sa inyo, ito ang isang sign that you are in alignment of your goals. Kapag madalas kang nakakakita ng owl, pwedeng sa personal, sa picture, or sa videos. Okay? May camping. O yung iba may camping. Baka may camping kayo ngayong week na to. You have the Nine of Pentacles, stability in your finances. You have the Ace of Pentacles. Uy, ganda. Ten of Pentacles and Nine of Cups. Wow! Grabe, Gemini. Very blessed ang week na to for you. I think, meron kang new beginnings kasi tong Ace of Pentacles. So, this can be a new start ng bago mong trabaho, business, career, or opportunities na inaalam mo ngayon. Syempre, pag nagsisimula pa lang tayo, dun mo makikita kung may potential ba yung sinisimulan mo. Kailangan dito maging consistent ka kasi pag naging consistent ka, meron ka mga wishes na mafulfill mo. Okay? So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong marireceive na inheritance, mana, no? Mana from your parents, your ancestors, lolo, lola. You have the Nine of Pentacles, which is financial independence. Maganda yung pasok ng pera sa inyo ngayong week na to. Yung iba, siguro natanggap nyo na yung bonus nyo. Yung iba sa inyo, you're going to treat yourself like sa fancy restaurant, fine dining, or magbabakasyon ka, going to the beach, or pwede ring sa ibang bansa. Pwedeng paplanuhin mo yan, or ititreat mo lang yung sarili mo na something nice, something great, something fancy. Oo. Mga social na restaurant, ganyan. Or yung mga wants mo, yung mga pwedeng bibilhan mo yung sarili mo ng espesyal na gamit or anything na masasabi mong deserve mo yon kasi you worked hard for it, no? Pinagtrabahuhan mo talaga siya. You also have, itong Nine of Cups is fulfillment ng mga wishes mo. Okay? Ito yung masasabi mo na thank you Lord sa blessing, ganon. Maari kasing yung mga natatamasa mong blessing ngayon, hindi mo inaakala na mangyayari sa'yo. Kumbaga, you just go with the flow. You went with the flow. At ngayon nakita mo na you are on the right path. And yung iba sa inyo, ito yung mga success stories sa, let's say, sa TikTok na Nagsimula sila, maliit na vlogger or content creator, and then eventually, di ba makikita mo na sila ngayon, ang dami ng umunlad ng mga content creator sa TikTok na nakapagpatayo na ng bahay, may sarili ng sasakyan. So that's what I'm seeing for you. You are fulfilling your dreams. And yung mga goals mo, yung mga dreams mo, nagmamanifest na siya sa buhay mo. Okay, let's see what else. You have stork. Ayan. So, this is progress. Sabi dito, progress heals pain drawn from the past. Ayan. So, you are also healing from your past. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong finufulfill na yung sinasabi nila na healing your inner child. Yung mga bagay na hindi mo na-experience, hindi mo naranasan ng bata ka, ngayon pinapa-experience mo sa sarili mo, sa family mo, sa mahal mo sa buhay. Okay, let's see what else. You have birch rod. So, meron ditong maaring magkaroon dito ng yung parang misunderstanding with someone. Oo, lalo na pagdating sa pera. So, make sure na malinaw, no, yung inyong agreement, yung pinag-uusapan nyo, especially about finances, about money, lalo na kung may kinalaman yan sa family, sa romantic partner. Okay. You also have clouds. So, clouds, this is about decision making. So, pwedeng meron kang major decision na gagawin na kailangan mo talagang pag-isipan, pag-aralan. Let's say, gusto mo magsimula ng negosyo. Di syempre, di ba, yan yung kailangan nating pag-isipang maigi muna bago natin gawin, kasi parang sugal rin kasi yung talaga yung pagnenegosyo minsan tatatalo, minsan hindi, but still kailangan mag-take rin tayo ng risk, okay, kasi hindi rin natin alam na baka dun tayo mas maging maunlad. Okay, you also have gentleman. So this is energy ng isang person, masculine energy. This can be you or the person that you're dealing with. Masculine energy kasi someone na action-oriented, risk-taker, or taking responsibilities. So, for some of you, you are taking responsibilities, no? Sa mga ginagawa nyo, sa career nyo, sa mga plans ninyo. A sincere, oh my God, a sincere wish will be granted, Gemini. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong wish fulfillment. Oo. Na talagang pinagpipray nyo na mangyari. At mangyayari na nga. Maaring may kinalaman to sa family, no? Goals nyo ng family nyo, pangarap nyo ng family nyo. So, it's already happening. Ayan, tinan nyo. May new opportunities, possibilities, and paths opening up. See? May new beginnings. May mga bagong opportunities na nag-open up para sa inyo. So, you have to embrace that. Kasi, marami pa tong maibibigay sa yung blessings and other fulfillment. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Good luck.